Hey, 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 Blockchain Bernie here, broadcasting live from fabulous Las Vegas. Does Solana need a scaling solution, right? So that sounds weird because everyone knows that Solana is the most scalable blockchain out there, the most scalable smart contract blockchain, right? And that is true with regards to transactions per second, right? Some people think like, oh, Solana needs to scale there, and it is scaling. We have Fire Dancer, the second Solana validator coming up. It's already live in testnet. It's already live in mainnet. And that can scale up to, very, very high TPSs. I've heard like 1 million transactions per second, but if you really look into it, that's just part of the pipeline, right? That's without the actual replay and things like that. So the real transactions per second might go, down from that 1 million, but still significantly up from what we currently see on the current Solana. All the congestion issues that they had just a few months back are basically gone with the latest updates to the Anza validator software. So Solana is scaling quite well on the CPU level, right? Like I call that a world CPU, right? Because the blockchain is basically like a world server. We can run apps on them just as we can run Web 2 apps on regular servers, right? So on blockchains, we can run Web 3 apps, also called dApps, decentralized apps, right? And on that level, how fast we can process things, I don't think Solana needs a scaling solution anytime soon. But then let's think about that. Every computer has three main components, right? A CPU, memory, also called RAM, and disk, which is attached storage, right? So computers have been having these three components for ages, right? For really, really decades. But if we look at blockchains as a world computer, they scale with the CPU, and then we have that RAM of that world computer. And that's the accounts, right? In the case of Solana, it's Solana accounts. So those are great. They do their job as the RAM of that world computer because they are super fast. They are very close to the CPU. So Solana devs can access these accounts as if they were just there, right? It's really very close to the processing power. There's no fetch operation or so that would take a long time. But, in return for that speed, they don't scale capacity-wise, storage capacity-wise. And that world computer, it just doesn't have a storage disk as of now, right? The only place we can store stuff, being a Solana dev, is in Solana accounts. And so Solana definitely needs a scaling solution with regards to storage and storage capacity, because there are separate storage solutions that are not really smart contract native. They are not accessible to the Solana dev, right? So, and having something that solves this blockchain storage trilemma, being smart contract native, being random access, right? The accounts are random access, and scalable to exabytes and more. So that is that storage, blockchain storage trilemma. And actually, we are setting out to solve that blockchain storage trilemma here at Xandeum. Look at our website, xandeum.com, xandeum.website, to see how we have set up to scale Solana with regards to storage. So that was my little overview on why Solana needs a store and the scaling solution. And it needs scaling with regards to storage capacity. And this is a tough problem to solve, I tell you guys, because there are so many storage solutions, also decentralized storage solutions, blockchain-based storage solutions, but they are all not smart contract native, right? They are not available to the smart contract developer just like that, the same way that the accounts are available, right? And we're changing that. We're solving that important problem here at Xandeum, and I couldn't be more excited to work on these problems. All right, so as for today, I thank you so much for watching. Please Destroy that like button for me to see more content like this. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Catch you later. Peace.